Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. Here we are at the shop. Jeff and I are just getting ready for the Memorial Day weekend. Got some stuff cleaned up, but been a long time since I've done an update here. I've been done some videos. We'll splice a few bits in here. We got this green car running. We'll show you the process of getting that thing started, and I got some progress on this 6 here. Jeff's got the engine in it now, and we're almost ready to put the motor into the Burgundy 911 over here as well. We've got we had to get some studs ordered from Porsche, so we've got that in. So 911E motor all ready to go in. Got a few more little things to button up on the inside of the car, but otherwise this thing will be going together here pretty shortly, so excited about that. But we've been making more progress. Jeff is over here working hard. How we doing today, Jeff?
Pretty good.
Excellent. And yeah, so Jeff's been working on this, getting this motor all tidied up, and you know, we're keeping this one, the owner wants to keep it as original as possible, so we're doing a lot of little things just to use some of the original parts, clean up some things. You know, other bits have been well, the car was already disassembled, welded, rust repair, paint, that kind of thing. But it is a nice original 914-6, and you know, just going back together stock with it, and gonna be a nice, just clean little driver car. Guys own this car for something like 40 years, so you know, it's been a long time coming that it is restored and going back on the road. But let's see what else. So we got the green car. This one is getting ready to go off to the body shop, so we had to get it running so that way they could get it moving. All right, here we go. We're getting ready. We've done all of our prep work here, and we're going to get to trying to fire this motor up. We took a little while to get some oil pressure. We did that. We've got our little telltale mechanical gauge here. Got some fuel. I think it's going to go. So, Jeff, you think we're ready to roll?
We'll see.
We'll see. Just a squirt or two. Let's do this. Maybe a little bit more gas.
Probably need to be on gas. We'll see.
Yeah, let's I'll give her.
Yeah.
Let me see here. Ready? Alright. Give one more go. We had a puff of flame there.
Yeah, so we're good.
Okay.
It might be too, we might just have to open it up or something.
Power on, Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
That worked good.
Yeah.
That was pretty close to.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Let's try the other way. Not having it.
Not on the first go like we were hoping, huh? We'll see. We'll get this distributor dialed in a little bit and see. Ooh, she's getting close. Woo. Yeah, definitely poofing out this side a little.
Dry though?
Yeah, well, this one's full of smoke. That one's empty. Smoky. Here, you want me to work that end and you work the distributor? Yeah. All right. This is what I'm good at. I'm good at holding cameras and doing stuff like that. You got throttle too?
Yep.
All right. Coming up. All right, coming up. Woo, woohoo. And just so you know, our oil pressure gauge is pegging. I guess that's
That's because it's not hooked up.
okay. That'll make all the difference.
Up here it's 20.
All right, you ready to go again?
Yep.
All right, coming up. Woohoo!
Oh.
All right, we're gonna fiddle a little bit and we'll be right back. All right, I think we've found a small issue or two. No big deal. This is why we work through problems. So I think we got it this time. Jeff, you think we're good?
Let's try it.
Let's try it. Let's give it a shot. All right, coming up. Oh, that sounds good. Maybe we need to bump that idle up a little.
Could be idle, could be timing, who knows at this point.
Sounded a lot better that time, though. Do it again?
Yep.
All right, coming up. good. Jeff's got the suspension pretty well set up, and she fires up, runs like a dream now. So we'll get that thing fired up here in a moment just so you guys can hear it. And made some great progress. I haven't been giving you updates on my carbon fiber either, but I got this looking real good. There's definitely some imperfections in the other side, but went ahead and finished it all off. Ended up doing it with a satin clear, so you can see pretty damn good. I'm gonna show you, we had a little spot over here. Well, there's a couple little spots over here. One where I had sanded through the carbon. That's just gonna be, I'll figure out something with that. And I don't know if the camera will even pick it up, but there's some, like, I don't know if it was like a run or something right in this area. And then a spot where we dripped something on here and it ruined it. So I'm gonna end up having to redo this again for like the 1500th time. But, you know, honestly, it's looking really good, so I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, this one is doing real good. And then, well, and I showed you guys the motor before, but gave you another quick once over because this is what we like to turn out. I mean, this was basically, you know, whatever needed to be done, it was done, powder coated, made new, rebuilt, clear coated, you name it, all looking good. And just to show off a little bit, compare that to this is over here, this nice red car. This is a little bit of a rare car because you just don't see red 914s too much. It was originally a nice little blue, but this will be the next project that we're going to be working on. Make it nice again. It's got a lot of just wear and tear little items and a lot of new parts that'll be going on it. So this was actually a Jake Raby motor the guy had done some years ago, and you know, I'm sure in its heyday looked a whole lot better, but you know, a lot of stuff is just, you know, not as nice as we would have done it, but that's okay. I'm sure it makes all the powers. Apparently a 2256 something makes like 180 some odd horsepower, so that thing should be pretty lively when we get it going again. It's been a couple years since it's been on the road, but you know, I think we're gonna start wrapping things up here. I don't want to make this video too long, but did also get the brown 930, the dirty 930, all back together, or mostly back together. Mirrors are getting a little bit more refinished on them because they had a few little spots on them, but otherwise got these Renline headlights in there and everything else looking really nice on it. And it's been a little while, so I thought maybe we'd do a little cold start action on this sucker for you. 1981 930, pretty much stock, a few little modifications, a nice little rarely laid exhaust system. So have a listen to this. This car is pretty sweet. Anyway, figured I'd show that one off a little bit. Been a couple days since it's been started, so we'll be getting this one out of here pretty soon. Got a little bit more body shop work to do, but it's pretty much ready to go. Suspension, stuff like that, it's all set up. So yeah, looking good, and you know, really just happy the way this one's turned out. GoPro's firing up. We're gonna do a cold start on this motor. We get the other one. All right, you do it, Jeff. Pretty cool. Yeah. Not too shabby, huh? All right. Oh, cool. So this one's ready to rock and roll to the body shop, and we'll give you guys some more updates as soon as we get them. Have a great weekend. Take care.